Are you curious about how AI can transform your daily routine? I will show you how to get the best out of AI in your life. Imagine having a personal assistant right in your pocket. With ChatGPT-5, you can manage schedules, find information, and even learn new languages effortlessly. Or how about mastering productivity? Notion AI helps you organize notes and tasks, turning chaos into clarity. For creatives, Runway ML is a game changer. It simplifies video editing and design, unleashing your artistic potential. And let's not forget Zapier AI, connecting your favorite apps to automate those pesky repetitive tasks. Need info fast? Perplexity AI gives you accurate, context-aware search results, perfect for research and education. Feeling down? Replica offers emotional support and personalized conversations. AI isn't just tech, it's a companion in your daily life. From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI is transforming how we live. So embrace the future and see how AI can make your life easier and more exciting. Welcome to AI Worlds.